Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I post lifestyle videos on Sundays and food and recipe videos on Wednesdays. Today I am showing you 3 simple and super tasty dinner ideas that are perfect for weeknights because they're really easy to make and they don't take a lot of time. With these types of videos, I'm just trying to show you how easy it can be to eat vegan meals. They don't have to be super fancy or elaborate for them to taste good and to make you feel good, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the recipes and let's get into it. Okay, so we are starting with some broken up lasagna noodles. These are ones that I had left over from when I was making lasagna, and instead of throwing them out, I just decided to boil them and use them in a pasta. To make the sauce, we are just cooking some onions and garlic in oil, and then I added some store-bought marinara sauce and some cashew cream. I just made this by blending cashews and water, but if you don't have access to cashew cream or a blender that can make it, you can just add almond milk or cashew milk or even coconut milk if you want. The main point is just to add something creamy to make it more of a rosé sauce rather than just a marinara sauce. Since we used a jarred pasta sauce, it already has a lot of flavor and spices, so you don't really need to add anything else if you don't want. And at this point, you can just add the cooked pasta, stir it around, and then I chose to add in some frozen kale just to kind of get in my greens and add a little bit of color. But you can add whatever kind of veggies you like, or you could also add some vegan chicken or vegan ground beef, anything like that. I like to serve mine with a sprinkle of vegan cheese on top. This is optional, obviously, but it kind of just adds to the lasagna flavor a little bit. And yeah, that is it for meal number 1. For this recipe, we are adding some firm tofu to a baking sheet, and then on the side I added some baked fries. Honestly guys, having frozen fries in your freezer is a lifesaver, especially for the times when you really want some comfort food. And then I just bake that in the oven for 10 minutes, and then when you take it out, flip the fries around so that they can get crispy on all sides. And then you want to add some sauce to your tofu, so I added this spicy barbecue sauce. I don't like adding the sauce right at the beginning because I find it can kind of burn to the pan and start smoking, so I just add the sauce partway through for the last 10 minutes of baking the tofu. Then I just plated it up and served some ketchup on the side, and my inner child is just so happy with this meal. It reminds me of eating chicken nuggets and fries when I was little, and it's just a really nice, quick, comforting meal. For this recipe, you are going to start off by cooking some garlic in some sesame oil, and then just add some chopped broccoli and cubed firm tofu, and you want to cook that until the broccoli is cooked so it'll be like kind of brighter in color like you see here. And then you just have to add some teriyaki sauce. I actually have a video of 6 stir-fry sauces that I can link up in the top corner here, and I'll put it in the description box as well, so if you want to make your own sauce you could check that video. But I also just like using store-bought teriyaki sauce. It's really tasty and again just super easy for weeknight dinners. In the meantime, while I was cooking that, I just had some rice cooking. I love putting rice and noodles on to cook, and then while they're cooking, making a stir fry like this, because then everything is done at the same time and it all comes together in about 20 minutes. So again, it is just a perfect weeknight dinner idea. I really hope you guys enjoyed these recipes, and I hope this was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye!